Hello everybody, this is Avery, YouTube Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create your own YouTube clips on YouTube, of course. In which case, when you make your clips, they'll be in this little Your Clips tab over here on your left. You can see that I don't have any right now, so let's go ahead and make some. I'm going to go ahead and take a video clip from one of these videos here. Let's start with that one. All right, so what you can see right now is right beside the share clip. On the right, you have the actual clip. So what I want to do is go ahead and click on that, and you can see that I can create a clip up here. You can see right here, it shows the duration of the clip. But like I was saying, it can be as short as 5 seconds, or it can be as long as 60 seconds. And I have the timestamp up here. So if I don't want to start from the beginning, let's say I want to start from 2 minutes, I can put that in there, and then it'll automatically switch the end one. So I can go from there and move it around. You can also see as I'm moving around, you can see the clips here, the beginning and the end of the clip here. And I can go ahead and just hold my left click and then scroll left, scroll right to go back and forth respectively. All right, so once I figure out where I want my clip to be at, I can go ahead and add a title to it. And I'm just gonna put title right here. And then I can go ahead and share the clip. As I share the clip, you can see I got different ways I can embed it. I'm not gonna copy the link right now. So I'm going to go ahead and exit out of that, come up to the top left, open up the menu, go back into my clips. And you can see that I have a new clip here that is 57 seconds long. Right here on this menu, I can go ahead and share the clip, or I can delete the clip. Let's take a quick look at it though. You can see I have it right here where I can share the clip, or I can watch the full video. But right now I am just seeing the 57 seconds from this clip. And that's all you need to do as far as making a clip that you can go ahead and share with other people on YouTube. Last thing I want to say before I get out of here is if you are looking for stock images and stock footage, you should check out victeasy.com. I will leave a link in the comment section. So hopefully you found this video useful. And if you did, why don't you like the video so other people know that it's a good video to watch? And if you are looking for more tutorials like this, then you should subscribe to the channel, because I got more videos like this that you can watch now, and I'll have more videos that you can watch in the future. Thanks for watching.